Welcome to JUZDAD. Hey, today let's learn some wild bird names. Eagle. Here, eagle is flying above the mountains. Eagle. Falcon. Falcon is also a very curious bird. Falcon. Vulture. Vulture is a big flying bird. Vulture. Owl. Hey, it's a night bird. Look at its neck. Oh, cute. Owl. Bat. Bat is black in color. Hey, look at it. How is it hanging? Bat. Hornbill. Hornbill is having big. Ooh. Hornbill. Parrot. Hey, parrot is green in color. Parrot. Peacock. Look at the feathers. Wow, beautiful. Peacock. Kingfisher. Kingfisher really likes fishing. Hey, look at this blue color. Kingfisher. Flamingo. Flamingo has large legs. Flamingo. Penguin. Penguin lives in snow. Penguin. Woodpecker. Woodpecker likes to stay on trees. Hey, woodpecker. Ostrich. Ostrich is really big. And it's a very fast running bird. Ostrich. Crow. Hey, crow says cow. Crow. We learned all these wild bird names. Thank you for watching JUZDAD. Have a great day. Bye bye.